These 10 amazing tools are not just ordinary equipment. They are built to make work faster, easier, and more precise than ever. Let's start. Number 10. K-Tool KTI-XDDBM 10 wrench set. The K-Tool KTI-XDDBM 10 wrench set is a 5-piece metric toolkit designed for professional mechanics and serious DIY users. Every double box end wrench has a 90-tooth reversible ratchet that provides a smooth 4-degree swing, making it ideal for tight and difficult spaces. The universal spline design enhances the wrench's ability to work with a variety of fasteners, increasing its versatility for automotive and mechanical applications. A 180-degree flex head design allows access to awkward angles in engines, HVAC systems, and undercarriages. Built from durable chrome vanadium steel with a wide beam structure, it ensures strength, comfort, and long-term reliability. Number 9. Kapro Magnetic Lock Combination Square. You won't believe a wrench can reach places your hand can't even fit. The Kapro 325 Magnetic Lock Combination Square is a high-precision measuring tool designed for carpentry, drywall, and construction professionals, as well as DIY users. Strong built-in magnets securely hold the stainless steel ruler in place, allowing smooth sliding adjustments and stable locking during measurement. The ruler features permanently etched inch and centimeter markings for long-lasting clarity and wear resistance. 5 milled edges provide enhanced accuracy for marking and layout tasks. Includes magnetic stainless steel scribe, clear level vial, and belt clip for convenient storage. This scribe offers more accuracy and efficiency when marking out, making it great for use in accurate building and layout tasks throughout the home and job site. Number 8. STANLEY FATMAX 6-in-1 Combination Pliers. This is the kind of precision that can save you from costly mistakes. STANLEY FATMAX 6-in-1 Combination Pliers are electrician-grade multifunctional tools for cutting, gripping, stripping, cropping, wrenching, and reaming. Crafted from premium drop-forged chrome vanadium steel, they are strong, durable, and suitable for heavy-duty applications. Serration on the jaws offers secure grip on wires and small parts, while the cutting edges can cut wire up to 2.0 mm diameter. Stripper slots accommodate various wire sizes, 2.5 mm, 4 mm, and 6 mm for versatility. Bi-material handles are comfortable, fatigue-reducing, and provide superior control for longer use. This tool reduces the need for multiple tools. Number 7. WORKPRO Folding Utility Knife. This one tool replaces an entire toolbox. Seriously. WORKPRO Folding Utility Knife is a lightweight and robust cutting tool suitable for professional and home use in construction and repair jobs. The handle is made of steel, and the non-slip ABS handle grip allows for safe, secure, and comfortable handling. It has an ergonomic design for comfortable grip. Its back lock system keeps the blade in position to avoid accidental closure. The quick change system allows for tool-free blade change for increased efficiency. The lightweight construction and belt clip allows easy portability. Number 6. WORKPROX 40-volt cordless tiller. Cultivator. Something this small shouldn't feel this powerful, but it does. WORKPROX 40-volt cordless tiller cultivator is a powerful outdoor gardening machine designed to simplify soil preparation for gardens, lawns, and small farms. It runs on a dual 20-volt battery system that delivers up to 50 minutes of continuous cordless operation. The 180 revolutions per minute high-efficiency motor cuts through tight soil to improve soil aeration and planting. The 16 heavy-duty steel tines till a 12-inch wide and 8-inch deep area. The variable wheels allow easy movement across different terrains, and the handle is easy to grip for comfort and use. Double safety switches provide added safety. The collapsible design makes it easy to store and transport. Number 5. WGGE WG-015 Wire Stripper WGGE WG-015. Wire Stripper is a multifunction electrical hand tool made from high-carbon alloy steel designed for cutting, stripping, looping, and crimping wires with precision. It has a cutting capacity of 10 to 22 AWG solid copper and aluminum wire, which suits different electrical jobs. The non-slip rubber grip on the curved handle makes it comfortable and easy to control, and less fatigue to work with it during long periods. The high-precision cutting edges deliver precise cuts. The inbuilt crimping tool can be used in insulated and non-insulated terminals, making it more versatile in terms of repair and installation. Number 4. Makita Hammer Drill. Electricians aren't just using this, they are actually relying on it every day. Makita Hammer Drill is a strong power tool, applied in drilling and hammering swiftly, accurately, and precisely in building and installation tasks. It is lightweight and has a high power and efficient brushless motor, and can be used extensively. The integrated LED lamp enhances visibility in low light conditions or tight spaces, while vibration reduction features reduce fatigue. The lightweight design enables easy access to narrow spaces, enhancing on-site versatility. A responsive trigger provides accurate speed and torque control for different materials, including wood, metal, and masonry. Built for durability and reliability, it is ideal for professional contractors and DIY users who need consistent performance for demanding drilling tasks on daily job site use and repairs work. Number 3. Tolcuez Magnetic Ratchet Screwdriver Set. This feels like drilling with pure controlled power in your hands. Tolcuez Magnetic Ratchet Screwdriver Set is a compact multifunction 34-in-1 toolkit designed for precision repair work electronics and automotive applications. It includes 34 durable S2 steel bits covering Phillips Torx and hex types, ensuring wide compatibility for various tasks. The tool features multiple handle configurations, including T-handle inline offset and mini ratchet for maximum flexibility in tight spaces. Strong magnetic bits securely hold screws, preventing slips and improving efficiency during work. The ratchet mechanism is dual-sided that enables rapid direction changes without changing the settings. It is also lightweight and can be easily transported in bags or glove compartments. It is also suited to professionals and DIY users that require a good and stable set of screwdrivers. Number 2. Makita Reciprocating Saw Chain-Vise. It's crazy how one small kit can handle almost every repair job. Makita Reciprocating Saw Chain-Vise is a powerful tool used in demolition plumbing and construction as a cutting tool. It has an internal chain-vise system that firmly holds materials in position to enhance stability and control of materials during cutting operations. The brushless motor is powerful, providing the cutting performance at an efficient rate. The strengthened body also decreases vibration, enabling a more stable working experience and less fatigue of a user during a prolonged working session. The small size of it enhances its maneuverability in cramped or awkward areas. The smooth stroke action ensures precise and clean cuts through pipes, wood, and metal materials. Number 1. Bosch GLM 100-23 Laser Distance Measure. This is the kind of power that makes demolition feel easy. Bosch GLM 100-23 Laser Distance Measure is a compact, high-precision measuring device designed for construction renovation and layout tasks. It provides fast and accurate distance readings up to 100 feet with exceptional precision. Simple 2-button operation allows easy measuring and rounding functions. The bright backlit display ensures clear visibility even in dark environments. It supports multiple units, including meters, feet, inches, fractions, and decimals for flexible use. Its pocket-sized design makes it highly portable and convenient for job sites. The rounding feature allows quick adjustments for precise results. Built with a Class 2 laser, it delivers reliable performance for professionals needing fast, accurate, and efficient measurement tools on all construction and renovation sites every single day use. If you find this video informative, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insane tech videos. See you in next video.